love in this world.
Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling.
Hey guys, I'm Rachna
And I'm Archana.
and welcome back to our channel. So guys, good morning. This is good morning for us, but I know you'll be watching this video in the evening. So good evening also. So guys,
You look beautiful, man, with open hair.
या वो मैंने ऐसे किया था ताकि मैं थोड़ा चेंज लगूं ऐसे
So we decided to vlog abhi because we are making Korean pancakes.
yeah
Clap.
we see nowadays we are learning cooking for BTS. Basically whenever we'll meet them
We enter fan meeting with kimchi and we wait for you with ramen.
and everyone has the requirement that their girl should know to cook.
Yeah.
So we are learning whatever possible by using the Indian ingredients. So we'll be like, you have
You
tried-
subscribe and then we can buy all the Korean
No,
ingredients.
no,
It's
no.
expensive.
We will be like, see, RM, we know the other version of this, the Indian version of
No,
this.
I'm asking the viewers. You all can subscribe so that we are able. तुम लोग subscribe करोगे then we'll be able to buy all the expensive Korean ingredients. So if you want that to happen, subscribe.
I am telling you that BTS will be like, okay, what is new in this? We have already
like that.
had this.
Yeah, that also makes sense.
Our mom makes the best, so you'll be like, your mom makes using the Korean ingredients. You can have the Indian version of it. That's a change in taste, and no one can tell you this.
Too much looks fake. Okay, now you look proper. After eating that, they will definitely throw us out. Okay, don't do too much show.
Okay, so guys, I am going to take bath and
We're not shooting that. We're not telling that. We are making. I'll. She has to leave the house. No, come back. She has to leave the house. So I'll make breakfast for her like nice sister. I'm a very nice sister.
she doesn't let me touch anything, so she's making it by herself. That's the only reason that I'm not able
She's
to
a liar, dirty fire.
I used to sleep with open eyes. I used to breathe just to keep us alive. Now all I can see is we're drifting apart. I can't believe how it all turned dark. Bring me the light. 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 Bring me the light.
Doesn't have time.
उसकी कुछ नहीं अच्छा बना है. मैं हाथ से खा रही हूँ guys because मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
I finished. I thought we won't be able to finish this. Okay, Miss Creamy. She just lived at a hotel. Yeah, that's her. Yeah, that's her. Yeah. Hot. अंडा फोड़ते हैं ये नया स्टाइल देखो नहीं Yama. 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 तेरा नमक डालू क्या?
डाल मत।
एक बार ऊपर से शॉट ले, लोगों को ऐसा पता लगा कि मुंह से पनवा आना चाहिए।
पनवा होने के लिए ऐसा हो गया है बल्लू। पनवा अभी मैं ठीक कैसे करूं?
पनवा लगेगा ले पनवा जी। ये पलटूंगी तो भी खराब कर दूंगी। लग इतना कैमरे में ना गंदा क्यों दिख रहा है? इतना अच्छा सुंदर लग रहा है।
तुझे आगे कर बल्लू।
क्या ही करूं?
वो तुझे आगे कर, उनको हमें देखने जो ना।
ये बात है तो देखो ये हेयर स्टाइल अच्छा है, सिर्फ आपका मूड खराब है इसलिए गंदा दिख रहा है बस।
मैं एक लाइन सीखी है 10
ये
बार।
मेरा प्लेट
नहीं, वो आपने लिया था, ठीक है वो
ये हमने लिया था।
हाँ, ये आपने ही लिया था। जल्दी दो, खाना खाने दो। जल्दी से खाना।
अभी झगड़ा तो होगा ही।
जल्दी
पहले अंडे को मिक्स करेंगे वरना तेरे को ज्यादा मिलेगा अंडा, मैं पसंद नहीं है।
मिक्स करेंगे यार। तू ऐसा मत कर ना यार। क्या हो गया मेरे अंडे के साथ?
तूने अंडा दिया क्या?
देखो धुआ आ रहा है।
इधर ला।
We like a ramyeon hot and spicy.
ऐसा तू मुझे बेला खिला के तूने
And
ज्यादा
the only men who are faithful are ramyeon.
she copied everything from trends and
Yeah,
she's posting
I'm
videos.
just a Gen Z.
I am doing everything. Look at my plate.
I don't know you gave me.
Guys, I'm such a nice sister. Let me tell you some nice lesson. Be like me. I took little and I gave my sister a lot. This is what generosity and humbleness mean. नहीं चाहिए
This is the other side.
which you didn't see. Guys, can you see the aesthetic chair? We wanted this chair to be here. That way we're sitting here.
Yeah.
And
This chair is really aesthetic. We'll show it to you sometime. It is just that mom has kept her pillows and
spoil the aestheticity. 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 Whatever it is.
guys. So what is happening? It's
Kimchi opening ceremony.
So we have waited for 3 days.
2 days.
3 days.
Something.
2-3 days to open kimchi. अच्छे से फर्मेंट हो गया है. मुझे अभी से पानी आ रहा है because I know कि मैं सबसे ज्यादा खाऊंगी. It is not my time to eat because I am on my periods. But
You cut all that. We open kimchi now.
yeah,
She started like story.
yeah.
Come, focus on the kimchi. Come here. Dun.
Like our first video, we will have this angle.
It kind of leaked, but who cares?
You can see my insecurities like always, but I am
She
beautiful.
speaks all this nonsense and then a little bit.
No, but it's Jin's birthday. So Jin's
वो हम अभी गाते हैं.
so Jin's birthday. So I know he will kill me if I say this. कितनी
और फिर मुड़ने बट
कैसी अजीब लड़ी है.
बल्ले was fine ना.
Oh my god.
कुछ आया नहीं अभी start हुआ.
Oh my god, this is so yum, guys, so yum. Give my chopsticks.
अभी इसमें से नहीं निकलेगा कचरा हो जाएगा.
नहीं. Oh my god, this is so yum.
वाह वैसे उठाए बिना तो एंगल आता ही नहीं. फ्रेंच का अमेरिका का गुच्ची क्या मेरे पे सब लगा रही है. खाते खाते दुनिया भर में घूम रही है. हाँ आपने कुछ नहीं देखा.
So guys,
नहीं पहले
Sokjin, उधर है.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 속진이 생일 축하합니다. तगड़ा किया जितना अच्छा करता है. We don't know how to express our love for this man because this man only because of this man I'm sitting like this with so much confidence. He literally
I can't tell you. I don't know.
I'll
tell you. Okay, I love all our 7
yeah we only
diamonds.
7.
Okay, but I have some kind of romantic feelings
For this man,
Sajid.
see, I was editing, like I was making a video for him, birthday video, and I was like,
No, what video I had edited, we will be definitely posting it.
No,
on,
you'll see it before this.
uploading it on YouTube. But yeah, so while I was making the video, I was just falling in love with him. Oh my
more
god!
and more and more and more.
And he's 30 years old. Oh,
Tell me from which angle, somebody tell me from which angle.
he's 30 years old. Oh my god. Okay, so happy birthday, Sokjin.
I wish I could meet you once.
I'm so happy that on the 4th day of the concert,
Amis did that. I'm so happy. Like, I don't know, it made us so happy to see because we couldn't do anything. So when we saw other Amis doing something for him, because he was about to cry.
Oh my god, he was so emotional.
If people still don't know, for us, what, like, if we, when
We weren't able to watch most of the concerts because we were busy, but we
have
did
seen the edits and videos,
all
and that
the
was
shots.
enough pain.
Yeah, I kept myself updated with whatever.
Yeah, but that was enough pain.
yeah.
So we ate kimchi for his birthday.
You know, I'll tell you.
I'll put him on his place.
So I'll tell you, on this
place, not on
plate
his
we
place.
have chapati, we have bhaji, we have dal, and we have kimchi.
No, we have different things.
Okay.
I have bhaji, I have chicken, I have kimchi, and I have 3 chapatis.
I'm not having chicken because
She's-
too much chicken these days.
Yeah, so she took dal.
So yeah,
There's nothing on this plate that we like, only this kimchi. I mean, chicken we can eat with chopstick,
but there's nothing on this plate that we have.
we usually eat with chopstick. But because there's kimchi, we need chopsticks.
Yeah, and we'll use it to have everything.
But guys, you're not crazy. We are not gonna tear chapati with chopstick. We're not that weird.
this kimchi is so
Eat the
yum.
chapati.
So
Now, okay, this is chapati and chicken. Dude, we are in different world. Chicken and aloo, potato, and now I'll put kimchi. Wow, my confidence. I am picking kimchi. I'm using chopsticks with my left hands. Look at my confidence. Ooh, I succeeded. My confidence is good.
I'm having
So
some
Jin taught me this confidence.
some dal and some chapati. And
This is the best kimchi I made till date.
she made the kimchi, but she forgot to add carrots.
That was not important, but we wanted to put for crunch.
So guys, that's it.
We don't know what is in this video, like not just this video, the clips that we have seen before. We generally don't do anything, so we have tried to keep it raw. I mean, people might not find it interesting, but we can't do anything because we don't do anything at all.
See,
home.
I'll tell you, first of all, guys, we are trying our best to, keep our YouTube channel active, to be consistent. And, some people might feel that we are crying all the time, we are not having content, then why are you even, having a YouTube channel? when you
Because
don't-
we enjoy doing it and we'll do it no matter
The
what.
thing is, okay, even though whatever we are, uploading on our channel might not be
Interesting for you.
yeah,
For some people,
but for some people, but it's giving some happiness. It's making us feel that we are at least, if you will ask us, okay, 2020 was bad, 2021 was bad, bad things were happening. What is the one good thing that happened in your life? We
1,
will say
2, 3. YouTube.
So we never thought we would be able to do this. So I don't want to give a long speech on this, but I know our videos these days aren't, I don't know if that is good or not. I don't know, because
I mean, we enjoy it. We laugh looking at the video, and sometimes we feel like that's enough. But I don't know. That's just our point of view.
yeah, we try, making it humorous, and we try adding,
We don't try. We end up thinking a lot, and then at the end of the day, we end up laughing. We just look at ourselves and
and getting embarrassed. But that is us. So basically, guys, keep supporting us. We love you. Let's get to 500 as soon as possible.
You can't do it.
And this December 9th will be the 6-month anniversary of our YouTube channel. Oh my god! I
can't
can't
believe
I
6
can't
months.
believe 6 months.
In the beginning, we thought we have 2
because
videos.
the amount of hardships we have faced to because there were a lot of problems.
Okay,
That
sorry,
is-
but there are a lot of people who will say that you don't talk about the hardships, you just show the result. We are not like that. We like talking about each and
It's a
everything,
thing,
even
yeah.
if it might not sound right to some people.
Even if you will feel that 6 months and only 468 subscribers, you don't know the amount of
I'm not talking about everybody.
yeah.
We're just speaking in general, like it's just our point of view. We're just speaking in general.
We are saying the amount of, we know the amount of hard work we have put on this
And we are
channel.
really proud of ourselves.
Yeah, because in the beginning we didn't know editing. We didn't
We
know
are saying we are
editing.
perfect.
Yeah.
But at least we can edit a video.
Yeah. So yeah, we are happy and we're just making it again a talking video. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, guys, comment. And like our video. You forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel and press on the bell notification.
Oh, I wore purple brand. Very nice.
Right next to the subscribe button so that you get notified
Every time we post a new video.
Bye bye. Happy birthday, Sukhjin.
Yeah, I hope he's watching the video. Wow, dreams and hopes in
And we
life.
wanna show love.
In this world, pinnaran sojunan he young hone ichiyaki dara. So I love me.
Jombu jo he.
We lost control.
So I don't know.
Dude, my back is hurting too fast. My bum is hurting.
You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just